Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's your friend Brandon here at DripWorks. Today I'm going to be talking about our tape lock fittings, at least the 5 most common ones we have for our drip tape right here. The drip tape is for our 5/8 of an inch drip tape here. And what you'd like to see here is that it fits right into the drip tape and has a nut that locks down when twisted right over the drip tape to secure it firmly into place, stopping any leakage and allowing the water to flow through. So what I have here, ladies and gentlemen, is your tape lock. This will start your row of irrigation. It's going to insert to the main line by the 1/4 inch barb. It locks in place to the drip line, causing water to flow through. This is just one of our top 5 drip lock fittings. So one of our very common tape lock fitting here is a tape lock 1/4 inch barb with valve. That's the only difference. This allows you to turn the water on or off to individual rows as you like. It also has the 1/4 inch barb that inserts into the main line, starting the flow of irrigation at your leisure. So what I have here is the tape coupler. This connects individual lines of drip tape. Say if one is damaged or you need to replace it or extend your lines, this will connect both ends of your drip tape, lock them securely in place. It's advisable to have a couple of these on hand just in case there is damage to a line down the road. You can easily just splice the drip tape and connect it together. That's why it's called the coupler. So what I got here is the tape lock plug. This goes at the end of your line. It will hold the plug, that's why it's called a plug. It plugs the end of the drip tape securely so no water leaks out, stopping the flow right there so the water goes exactly where you need it. It's also good for an anchor point. If you hold a stake down, it holds it right into place into the ground at the end of your line. So what I have here is the meld-in drip tape with cap. This is, like I said before about the plug, very similar, but additional features which makes this awesome is that the cap part is able to twist off. This is if you have any debris or blockage in your line, you take the cap off, you can run the water through, flush out your line, put the cap right back on, and your system's good to go. No plugs, no dirt, no debris, seals at the end. Drip tape melt-in plug with cap. Well, I hope any of this information was useful for you folks. If you have any questions, always check us out at dripworks.com. You can always give us a call. We had a great staff that's willing to help you out. Like I said, it's from your friends and family here. I also like to point out though, if any of this seems confusing or you're not too sure how to start up, you should check out our Drip Tape Row crop kits. Check them out online. We have plenty of really large selection, but inside this kit itself, we'll have everything that I've just gone over and more. That will help you get started or just complete what you're trying to do. From your friends and family here at DripWorks, mahalo and happy growing, everybody.